This is the Apex 5 mechanical keyboard by SteelSeries. It is a fully mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Blue hybrid switches, which makes it very loud, so if you don't have noise canceling on your microphone, then other people will get very annoyed with how loud the keyboard is, because Cherry MX Blue switches are the loudest ones you can get. It also includes full per key RGB illumination, meaning that each key can be changed to the color you want it to be, and it has a lot of effects that you can show, and I'm just going to show just a couple right here. So this effect that I'm showing right here, it's called line. It does exactly what you think it does, which is it makes a line go across your keyboard, and you can change the color of the line that you want it to in the SteelSeries app. So the effect that we have here right now, it's called ripple. It basically just makes a ripple go across your keyboard. And again, you can change the color of the ripple if you don't like the default white. This one is called fade. It basically just fades out once you press the key. It's a little harder to see, so I just zoomed in a little. Another special feature with this keyboard is that it has an OLED screen that can display whatever you want. I just have pee-pee poo-poo on here for just randomly, no reason at all. You can display Discord notifications, your health and games, and this is definitely a feature you won't see in any other keyboard. It's only in the Apex series of the keyboards, and it's something that I really, really like. It also would never be a keyboard review if you didn't get a sound test, so here's the sound test. Just to wrap up this video, the keyboard's a pretty good mechanical keyboard with full RGB lighting, and the OLED screen just makes it better. It comes in at $100 or if you on the SteelSeries website, but if you get it on Amazon, I bet you could save like $10. And I forgot to mention there is a number pad, so if you don't like it, then just to let you know that there is one on this. I personally do like number pads, so if you're one of those people that don't like keyboards with number pads and like TKL keyboards, then I would not recommend any of the TKL keyboards from SteelSeries, because you would have to pay a pretty hefty price. But if you do like number pads, then you're in luck, because this is a pretty good keyboard for its price with many features, and I really do like it. That's going to be it for this video. Another thing I want to say is always remember you're someone's reason to smile, because you're a joke.